Hi and welcome to Cluster Repairs UK. In today's video we'll be showcasing the onboard computer Sat Nav display for the Toyota CH-R facelift, which ran from 2019 to 2024. These units come in two different variants. One has an outer shell casing and one looks like a square unit like this. You also have differences in button locations, where you will see home is on the top right and the other unit's home is on the top left. The other positions can also change. Now, we cover all models including the JBL, Panasonic and Denso units. These displays have a few common faults, from accidental damage to general wear and tear. Common faults such as a cracked or damaged display. Display screen is heavily marked or scratched. The touchscreen has become intermittent or erratic when touching, or touchscreen that no longer works. Here on test we can see a unit which has a completely failed touchscreen. We have been serving the motor industry repairing displays since 1986. We only use genuine high-quality A-grade parts and back all our repairs with a lifetime warranty. Now, after our professional repair, the results are crystal clear. The unit is working like new as it did when it left the factory. Repairs can be booked in a few different ways. You can opt for a mail order service. You can opt for a walk-in service at one of our sites or at one of our partner repair locations around the country. Our mail order service usually takes about 1 to 5 working days, while our walk-in service can be completed in about 1 to 3 hours. For more information, please read the detailed video description below. We pride ourselves with award-winning customer service, so please feel free to give us a call or drop us an email and we'll be more than happy to help. To support our content and to help us with the YouTube algorithm, please be sure to drop us a like, add a comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video and we hope to be serving you soon. Happy repairing!